Jesus said, I came that they may have and enjoy life. So hindi lamang yung nabubuhay ka going through the motion. Yung sinasabi na nag-i-exist ka lang. Going through the motion ay katulad po ng paggising mo, pagdating ng Monday, pasok na naman sa trabaho, at tapos uwi, tapos tutulog, afterwards gigising, okay, para magtrabaho na naman, yung tinatawag na kakain para mabuhay or nabubuhay para kumain. So it's either of the two. You are eating to live or you are living to eat. You are working to live or you are living to work. So ganun ang takbo ng buhay. It's either you just go through the motions na nag-aantay lang kung kailan matatapos yung buhay mo dito sa ibabaw ng daigdig. And afterwards, ikaw ay dadalhin sa sementeryo. Matatapos na. Wala na ang storya mo. Wala na yung buhay mo. Or you will find ano yung sinabi ng Panginoon or ano yung inilagay niya sa buhay mo na dapat mong gampanan at dapat mong gawin sa ibabaw ng lupa na afterwards ang masasabi mo, I have lived a satisfying life. So Jesus said, I came that they may have upang sila magkaroon ng buhay. Hindi lang yung umiinog ka, hindi lamang yung nagtatrabaho ka araw-araw at kumakain o ginagawa ang dapat mong gawin para lang mabuhay ka. No. The thing is, you are living with a purpose. Okay? At ang sabi niya roon, and that they may enjoy life. So, are we enjoying life or are we enduring life?